If you own a property in Groveport, Ohio that is occupied by tenants or squatters or even a family member, and you want to sell this property but leave the tenants in place, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Parichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we have been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around Groveport, Ohio, and people love working with us because we are going to make this extremely easy for you. We can handle any communications with the person that's living there. We can handle any notices that need to be posted. We can handle any evictions that need to happen. Whatever the case may be, we will buy the property with the tenants in place to make this easy for you. There's no awkward conversations that need to happen or anything like that. Also, when we're buying this occupied property, we're a cash buyer. So that means we're not relying on the bank to approve us. We don't need formal appraisals, disrupting the tenants. The tenants don't even need to know that you're selling the property. You can be discreet. If you would like to be discreet, we can keep it discreet for you, for your sake, and we will handle everything. We're a true cash buyer. And that also means we're going to buy it in its as-is condition. And that's a good thing, especially with a tenant-occupied property, simply because every property that's lived in is going to need some type of work. Well, we're not going to go through this thing with a fine-tooth comb and, nitpick the property and, anything like that. We're going to buy it in its as-is condition. We have been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around Groveport, Ohio for over 14 years. We have hundreds of references and reviews and positive testimonials. So we know for a fact we can make you a fair offer on this property. And then if our offer works for you, excellent. We'll move forward. It's going to be clear communication the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We can shake hands and we can part as friends. You have nothing to lose by giving us a call and just understanding what your options are. So here at Sell House Columbus, we buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Groveport, Ohio. Our number is 614-300-5151. Excuse me, 614-300-5151. And our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We've been around a long time. It doesn't have to be a tenant nightmare ever again. It doesn't need to be a tenant headache. You can sell this property. You're going to love working with us, and we look forward to the opportunity to speak to you, to work with you. No pressure, no obligations. That number again is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Parichin. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Groveport, Ohio. I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.